Welcome to another day of our rooftop garden. Arno and the team have supplied us with trellis to go behind some of our pots. The trellis will help our plants that are climbers. In this tub here we've got sweet potatoes, so that as the sweet potatoes grow we'll weave it through the trellis, hopefully over the wall, giving us something pretty to look at as well as healthy to eat. Standing here at the end of the day is beautiful as the sun sets and the heat is taken from the air. We've been working today with the school and we have put together two teams of young people. One is a sustainability group. The group will be interested in growing and the composting and the harvesting of all of our produce. The second group is going to be an entrepreneur group, bringing them together to help with the marketing and the sale of the produce that we're making. Those two groups will come together to help make our garden grow into a successful little project. Hit subscribe and follow us as we grow organically.